Tonight at 6, the Indiana Attorney General is demanding information from companies that he suspects of engaging in human labor trafficking.
And one of the targets of his investigations is in Logansport, the Tyson Food plant. Rich and I live in studio tonight with the latest legal action by Todd Rokita in his campaign against illegal immigration here.
So Rokita has sent legal notices to at least 7 organizations that are called civil investigative demands. He wants information that he suspects will show human labor trafficking of immigrants. The Indiana Attorney General says his office believes that Tyson Foods may have information relevant to an investigation concerning human labor trafficking. His office also sent civil investigative demands to at least 6 other organizations in Logansport, Evansville, and Seymour.
What we suspect is that businesses, in conjunction with nonprofit entities, are incentivizing, acting like magnets for these illegal aliens as they come over the border to place them in low-paying work.
Tyson Foods did not respond to our request for comment. Rokita says the company has until December 4th to respond to his office.
We're looking at their practices, and particularly nonprofits and business practices, to see if they're creating an indecent nuisance or if they're in violation of the Deceptive Sales Act. So quite honestly, we're creatively using those statutes and apply them to this issue.
Berry Global, a plastics company in Evansville, also received the demand. So did organizations that help immigrants and refugees find jobs and integrate to their communities, like Tent Partnership for Refugees and God is Good in Evansville.
It is a direct attack on our immigrant neighbors and our community as well, and the corporations that partner with other community-based organizations that do work in the immigration sector, especially because a lot of these individuals have a legal work authorization.
The Immigrant Welcome Center in Indianapolis is not directly involved, but worries about the impact.
It's really going to shy these companies away, whether if it's getting involved in the community work or hiring our migrant population because they don't want bad PR or to be attacked like they have already been.
And I talked to the Logansport School Superintendent this afternoon. That's another organization that received one of these demands. Their demand had 18 questions, some of them multi-part questions asking for information about immigrant students. So now they're asking for an extension to gather all this data on more than 500 students over the past several years. They're not a target of the investigation, but Rokita wants this information to help his investigation against these companies.
Yeah, trying to establish the metrics there of families in those communities.
Right.
All right, Rich, thanks so much.